Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're jumping right in. We're starting with this Amelie? I don't know. This color. Super pretty. It's probably my favorite gel polish right now. So I'm only doing one coat of this, and then I'm going in on 3 nails with this nail foil glue. I think it's called. I just missed it. I'm gonna put those on, or I'm gonna put that on 3 nails, and then I'm gonna go in with this Iridescent. I don't know if it's Mylar. This stuff. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just kind of winging it. I sat down not knowing what I was gonna do, so I was kind of iffy about this the whole way through, but I think it turned out cute. This nail right here ends up being my favorite in the end. Okay, this right here, I don't know what I was thinking with this right here. We all make mistakes, and I just don't know what I was doing. Okay, this whole nail, I didn't know what I was doing. So now I'm just putting on a base coat. That way when I go in with this milky white gel polish, it looks a little better. It goes on a little smoother. I really like how the iridescent pieces look with this milky white on top. It kind of mutes it or something. I don't know, but it still looks super cute. So I don't end up using that gold, but I do use this glitter. I just put it on kind of the spaces where the iridescent pieces aren't, but I kind of put them on them too, if that makes sense. And then I go in with a silver foil instead of the gold foil, and I just put that in little spots here and there.
Gone too far for us to see.
Now I'm going in with this super cute diamond dust stuff, and I'm just sprinkling that on each of these 3 nails. Right here I'm looking at it like, what a mess. Now I'm going in with a second coat of that pretty pink color on these 2 nails that I have neglected. I'm gonna top coat these 3 since I'm about to put it in the lamp, you know. Now I'm going to mix this white gel polish with some clear, well, base gel, and this purple gel polish from Gershon with some clear to make them each like milky, kinda marbly, you know.
Far away, far enough for us to disappear. Should you feel a little
I'm going to put a layer of base coat on the two nails, and then I'm gonna go in with these colors that I mixed and make a marble nail. Turns out super cute.
past you as you drift apart in air, like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. We move on and live it as it is, but once in a while, let the reminiscence.
Now I go in with some of that silver foil and put it sparingly on the marble nails, and then I sprinkle a little bit of that diamond dust on those nails too. And then I'm gonna top coat it, cure it, and then I'm gonna go in with my IBD hard gel and encapsulate everything. I personally like watching things being encapsulated, so that's why I leave this part in. If you've noticed, the sun has made its appearance in my video, so I apologize. Here is what things are looking at. What? Here? That's what they look like before I filed them. Now I'm gonna file them. So enjoy. Jeez. Alright, here comes the top coat. This is the best part. Looks super cute. It's a little hectic for me. I'm still kind of iffy about it, but those marble nails are dope. And that middle nail right there that I haven't top coated yet, that's my favorite. That's my favorite nail. Looks super cute when the light hits it, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Comment, like, subscribe, share. I would really appreciate it. Yeah, this is the final look. Super cute. Bye.